Hi, this is the 85 Prelude for Bring a Trailer, a video of the car, basically the engine idling noise. So I just started it maybe 10 minutes ago, ran it for 4 minutes just to watch the carburetor do whatever magic it does for the idle speed to kick down. I guess there's a bimetallic strip in there or two because of the dual carbs. So this is a not warm start, but not a cold start either. So clutch to the floor, no gas per these instructions, and we'll see how, there we go. Okay, that is not a fast idle. So that took, so we'll jump out and take a listen. Fan is not kicked on. Belts, no squeaks. Well, we're going to do a quick walk around, I guess. A little dusty, maybe from the Canadian wildfires, not sure. The noise from the exhaust, throaty. Definitely completely stock, 100%. And then we'll jump around to this side so you can hear the same thing. There you have it. Idle sound, engine.